Hello, it's Catreal Audio / Meow auditioning for Rebecca, is that Dr. Miles? Luna and the bird? Birds? I don't know. So, I'm English, so I have an English accent, so it might sound a bit weird to you. I don't know. Rebecca, run, wolf, run away. Use your abilities and escape before it's too late. I have to go, but please run. They're getting nearer. I always hated their place, what they did to you poor creatures. It was so wrong. I'm so sorry. I have no choice. Please forgive me. You ignorant, selfish, cruel, evil man. Can you not see what you do kills? Can you not see the damage you cause them? I'm sorry. I tried. Luna? I hope you can keep up. Look here, sunshine. Don't want you with me. Never wanted you with me. So why don't you just leave? Oi, get off. It's mine. I sleep in this nice cosy hole, and you sleep out there. Go away, far away. How dare you? Could you lay there for me, please? Why? Because there's a patch of mud there, and I'm going to walk over you instead of getting my paws dirty. That is why. And the birds? Just leave me alone. A rabbit? I have to walk round with a damned rabbit. Get it away from me. I'm surprised you're not scared of your own shadow. Go away, far away. I know, I think like the bird's like really bad, so yeah.